Hi class, I'm going to show you how to use the MyMathLab in order to do your assignment, because all your assignments are going to be on the MyMathLab. So first of all, you go to Google, write MATLAB, and once you click on it, go to Student Access. If this is the first time to register, so you need to register, and after that, you need to find the course ID. So the course ID is, you can find it in my syllabus. Okay. And later on, after that, you need to create your account. So once you create your account, you have two options. Okay, so you put all your information. As you see, like first name, last name, and everything. So when you can, so you need to buy the access code. So once you register, you need to buy the access code, and you have two options. One, you can use it for 24 months, and another option, you can use it for 18 weeks. But I suggest to buy it for 24 months, because you're gonna need it again for basic algebra. So if you buy it for this semester, so you need to buy it again for the next semester. All right, so it's better to buy it for 24 months. And right now, you just choose to use it for free trial. So you can use it for free trial. You have 2 weeks free trial, and after that, when expire the free trial, you need to update, and you buy it, and you need to buy it. Okay. Feel free to ask me other questions during the class. Okay, once you register, now you can see your page, and you go to assignment. You click on assignment, and you can see all the section. You click the question, and you answer the questions.